good evening, wherever you are watching. Welcome you to my video for today. Yes, guys. I want to thank you for keeping my channel alive. Without you guys, my channel is nothing. So your contribution to keep my channel alive, something that I cannot take for granted. Thank you guys, thank you very much. My subscribers, you're so special to me. Yeah. So today's video, I'm doing it on a streetcar. I'm heading to somewhere home. Heading home. So I just decided that as I go home, I can have this video together. Yes. Let's see how far we'll go. Sumac Street. So this streetcar runs from High Park to main subway station. It runs, that's for 506.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
505 runs from Roadview to Dundas West. I've not just taken interest to for Queen Street streetcar. I don't know where it ends.
Next stop, Sackville Street. Please look right for traffic when exiting. Stop. Carlton Street. Street. Next stop, Sherburne Street. Please avoid the traffic when exiting.
Alright, so Nike Soccer. Oh my god, this thing, it looks so beautiful. It's well branded nicely. Nike Soccer. Yeah. Five or six to 506 to London West. Look at how it looks. Nicely blended. Yeah. All right. What is 999? Okay. Let's see how far it will go. All right, guys. The battery for my camera is dying. Yes, guys. Make sure that you support me. Continue supporting me. I know you are supporting me. Continue supporting me, guys. Yeah. Very soon I'll start touring some places outside Toronto, so that we can see what the world has to offer. Yeah. I have a plan of going to BC, that's British Columbia, to Vancouver actually. Yeah, so that we can also see what the city has to offer. Yeah. It will be a lovely moment to film a video in Vancouver. And Vancouver is one of the biggest cities in Canada, and it's a tourist city. It's a tourist city, guys. It can be a very, very, very fantastic thing to film a video in Vancouver. That's 75 Sherburne Street. That's a public bus that passes through the street. Yeah, guys, thank you very much once again for watching my video. I can't take it lightly. You mean a lot to me. Thank you, guys. Shalom, shalom. Bye.